Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by working on damp hair to control volume. That's why you aim for 70 to 80% dry. Apply 1 to 2 pumps of a light styling cream or mousse so the hair holds without stiffness. Next, make a deep side part and use a vent brush to lift roots on the heavy side. This creates the signature swoop. Once done, blow dry while lifting at the roots to set direction and lock in natural movement before moving to shaping. Now you shape the iconic swoop by wrapping the front section around a medium-size round brush, curling the hair slightly away from the face. While you dry, keep the dryer moving to avoid overheating. A medium heat works best, then finish each section with a short, cool shot to lock the curl. Once cooled, take a small amount of pomade, about half to 1 gram, rub it between your palms and run it through the ends to add separation, weight, and a controlled shine. To finish, hold a flexible hairspray 10 to 12 inches away and mist lightly to preserve movement without crunch. Then, style with your fingers, loosening any overly stiff areas with a wide-tooth comb for a natural look. If parts fall flat later, lift the roots by massaging a small amount of dry shampoo in and rework with your fingers. It adds grip and volume. Finally, make sure to avoid heavy products near the scalp so the swoop stays lifted rather than weighed down.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.